Welcome to Mabel Daily English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mabel Daily English. I'm Mabel. David, quick question. When you talk about the past in English, do you feel confident?
No. Every time I use was, did, or had, I freeze. I stop mid-sentence and think, wait, which one is right?
And that is exactly what we are fixing today. Was, did, and had. 3 words, 3 different jobs. The reason people get confused is simple. Nobody explained the logic.
Logic? There's actually a logic to this?
There is, and it is very simple. David, do you drive?
Do I drive? Yes. Why?
Because was, did, and had, they are 3 drivers. Did drives the action road, was and were drive the description road, had drives a road that started even before everything else.
3 drivers, 3 different roads.
Exactly. And the rule is this: 1 sentence, 1 driver. Wrong driver, wrong road. 2 drivers in 1 car? They fight over the wheel and the sentence crashes.
I have caused many grammar crashes.
Most of us have. By the end of today, you will always know which driver to choose. No more freezing.
No more guessing?
No more guessing. But first, if you feel like David right now, please give this video a like, subscribe to Mabel Daily English, and share it with someone who also gets confused about was, did, and had. The more you listen, the faster your English grows. Okay, David, give me your worst was, did, had mistake, the most embarrassing one.
Oh, my first week speaking English. I said to someone, "Did you was at the party?" They looked at me like I had 3 heads.
Did you was at the party? David, we are going to come back to that one later. But first, let's meet did properly. Tell me, how do you say this in the past? You go to the gym.
Did you went to the gym?
Almost. That is the most common did mistake. Let me show you why with our driver rule. Did is already driving. Did is already carrying the past tense. That is its job. So the verb after did, it is the passenger. Passengers do not drive, they just ride. They stay in the simple form.
So did drives and the verb just sits there.
Exactly right. Did you go? Did drives. Go rides free. Did you went? 2 people fighting over the wheel. The sentence crashes.
Ha! I've been trying to drive from the passenger seat this whole time.
Perfect way to say it. Did you eat breakfast? Did you sleep well? Did you finish your work? In every single one, the verb after did stays simple. Eat, sleep, finish. Not ate, slept, finished.
Did already does the past tense work. The verb just gets a free ride.
Exactly right. Now let's practice the answer. When someone asks, "Did you go?" what is the short answer?
Yes.
Yes, I did. The short answer keeps only the driver. The passenger gets out of the car. Try it. Did you watch TV last night?
Yes, I did.
Perfect. And if you didn't?
Confidently, no, I didn't.
Short, clean, natural. Now, David, what about when you want to say you did not do something? A full sentence, not just the short answer.
Like, I didn't go. Is that right?
Yes, David. I didn't go is exactly right. Didn't is the same driver, same car, same road, but going in the opposite direction. The rule is identical. Verb after didn't, still a passenger, still stays simple.
So didn't drives, and the verb still just rides.
Exactly. I didn't watch, not I didn't watched. I didn't eat, not I didn't ate. Try one. How do you say you didn't go to work yesterday?
I didn't go to work.
Perfect. What about you didn't finish your homework?
I didn't finish my homework.
Spot on. Now, one more thing that makes your past tense sound natural. Time words. Think of them as road signs. They tell the listener when this journey happened.
Road signs, like yesterday?
Exactly. Yesterday, last night, ago. These are your road signs. And they almost always go at the end of the sentence. Listen, I didn't eat breakfast yesterday. I watched TV last night. I finished my work 2 hours ago.
Oh, they just go at the end. Much easier than I thought.
Much easier. Try it. Tell me something you didn't do yesterday.
Easy. I didn't wake up early yesterday.
Good. Now use ago.
I finished my coffee 3 hours ago.
Beautiful. So did and didn't, same driver, one goes forward, one goes backward. Both keep the verb simple. Curious, but David, what if you are not talking about an action at all? What if you want to say how something felt, where something was?
Like the food was good or I was tired?
Exactly those. And for those, did cannot help you. You need a completely different driver.
A different driver. Who is it?
Meet the second driver. Was and were. This driver does not touch actions at all. Was and were only drive the description road. Feelings, states, appearances, locations.
So, I was tired. That is the description driver.
Exactly. The food was good. He was at the office. They were happy. All descriptions, all on the description road.
But why sometimes was and sometimes were? Are they different drivers?
Same family, different cars. Was drives for I, he, she, and it. Were drives for you, we, and they. I was tired. She was late. They were at the park.
Singular gets was, plural gets were, and you always gets were.
You got it. Quick test. The coffee, yesterday. Hot or cold?
The coffee was hot.
Good. Your friends, at the party?
My friends were at the party.
Perfect. Now, negative. Same driver going backwards. Was becomes wasn't. Were becomes weren't. I wasn't hungry. They weren't at home.
And can I say I didn't was hungry?
Never. Did is the action driver. It cannot drive on the description road. I didn't was is two drivers fighting over a road that belongs to only one of them.
Huh. Wrong driver, wrong road.
Every time. Practice? Give me one sentence with wasn't or weren't.
The exam wasn't difficult.
Good. One more.
We weren't ready for the meeting.
Brilliant. So, did drives actions, was and were drive descriptions. Curious though, there is still one more driver, and this one does something neither of the others can do. What can't they do? Had, the third driver. And this one has two jobs.
2 jobs?
First, possession, things you owned or had in the past. I had a car. She had a great idea. He had enough money. No action, no description, just ownership.
I had something. I owned it. Past.
Exactly. But the second job is more interesting. Had is the driver who started the journey before everyone else. You are telling a past story. Something happened yesterday. But had takes you back even further to what happened before that.
Like a story before the story?
Exactly. I arrived at the office, but I had already eaten breakfast. The eating happened before the arriving. Had drives back to that earlier moment.
So had is the driver who left before the other past events.
Perfect. And negative, hadn't. I hadn't seen that movie before last night. She hadn't finished her work when the meeting started.
And had never changes? I had, she had, they had, all the same?
Never changes. Same driver for everyone.
That is actually the easiest rule so far.
It is. Practice. Use had for the earlier past.
I had already left the house when my friend called.
Excellent. Now you have all three drivers. But there's one more thing we need to talk about. The most dangerous mistake.
More dangerous than did you was?
Worse than that. Putting two drivers in one car.
Like my mistake. Did you was at the party?
Exactly that. Did is the action driver. Was is the description driver. Two different drivers, one sentence. The sentence has no idea where it is going.
So I need to choose. Action, use did. Description, use was. Never both.
One sentence, one driver. Always. Let's look at 3 common crashes. First, did you was tired? What is wrong?
Two drivers. Did is for actions. Was is for descriptions. It should be, were you tired?
Perfect. Second, she was go to the market. What is wrong?
Was is the description driver. Go is an action. It should be, she went to the market.
Excellent. Third, I had went home. What is wrong?
I'm not sure. Had is driving, so the verb after it needs the past participle form. It should be, I had gone home.
Very good. The check is always the same. Before you choose a driver, ask, is this an action, a description, or something that happened before another past event? One question, one answer, one driver.
It is like checking which road before you start driving.
Exactly. Now, let's put all 3 drivers on the road at the same time. A real conversation.
Finally, I want to see them all together.
A weekend conversation. Listen carefully. Notice which driver is used and why. Hey, David, how was your weekend?
It was good, actually. I went to a football game on Saturday.
Oh, nice. Was the game exciting?
It was incredible, but I had already missed the first goal before I arrived. The traffic was terrible.
Oh, no. Did you enjoy it anyway?
Yes, I did. We were so loud in the stands. I didn't sleep well that night because I was still excited.
Perfect. Now let's look at what just happened. It was good. Which driver?
Was. Description. The weekend was in a good state.
Good. I went to a football game. Which driver?
Did. Action. But you used just the past form directly, not the full did.
Exactly right. When you are not making a question and not making a negative, you can use the past form directly. Went, watched, finished. Did is still the driver, but it stays invisible in positive statements.
Oh, did hides in the background for positive sentences.
Exactly. And I had already missed the first goal. Which driver?
Had. The missing happened before the arriving.
You got all three. Action, description, earlier past. Each one in the right car on the right road.
It feels natural when I see them side by side.
That is because they are natural. One more. Tell me about something that happened to you this week. Use all three drivers.
Okay. I was nervous before my presentation, but I had prepared all night, so I did well.
Perfect. Was for the feeling, had for the earlier preparation, did for the action. 3 drivers, 3 roads, 1 story.
That is the first time I used all three without stopping to think.
Almost done. Quick review. 3 drivers, 3 roads. David, action road, who is driving?
Did and didn't for the negative.
Good. Description road?
Was or were and wasn't or weren't for the negative.
And the earlier past road.
Had and hadn't for the negative.
Perfect. Now, one last thing. I am going to say 3 sentences. One of them has the wrong driver. Tell me which one.
Okay, go ahead.
All right. 1, I didn't finish my homework yesterday. 2, the weather were cold. 3, I had already eaten before they arrived.
Number 2, the weather is singular. It should be was, not were.
Excellent. David, you are a great student today.
Thank you, Mabel. I learned from the right driver.
Everyone, here is your challenge. In the comments, write 3 sentences. 1 with did or didn't, 1 with was or were, and 1 with had. We read every comment. Try your best.
And if this lesson helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to Mabel Daily English.
Share it with someone who always freezes when they talk about the past. No more guessing. You have your 3 drivers now. Choose the right one every time.
No more grammar crashes. See you next time, everyone.